Okay guys, so right now I'm just gonna show you a demo of the OpenSea automatic uploader in action. Okay, so how it works is you got a .env here where you add your data, and my data is blurred, and then you just go to this and run it, and it's gonna pop up right now. And it's gonna start uploading, and while it starts uploading, I'm just gonna show you guys. So right now this is the one being controlled. I'm gonna show you guys you use the metadata like the one in the HashLibs artwork engine, so it should be easy for you guys to actually use it, right? And as you can see right now, it's just restoring the account, and it uses your secret recovery phase to start working. As you can see, this is you have to create the collection first, and you just paste the link in, and it will start uploading right now. Here we go. It's gonna start right now. So the first time here is just created the number one, and it's gonna also add it for sale for you with the price you choose in the env file. And now we're gonna see the next one being created. And it's very easy, as you guys can see. It's not really like complicated at all. And that's it. You can buy this on Fiverr. It's available on Fiverr, and the link is going to be in the description. I'm just going to let it run a little bit so you guys can see it works.